County Mahoma Bay nyakora mgajiwang Bernard Muoko cha makaka jagoro mar County Mahoma Bay. Muok nyocha wala gi Gavana Gladys Wanga nele mono kendo koro kawa peace na yanga. Nyasino no tele gi Gavana ma County Mahoma Bay Gladys Wanga mabende no tiyo gi nyasi na mar kwayo ganda mar Homa Bay mondo to ahinya jogo mantiere sekta mar boda boda mondo donjie chenro mar chulo osuru mondo miyo bio kony gi neno ningi magi olokore kendo sekta no ochier e yo mong'ith.
I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my knowledge, judgment, that I shall all times, when so required, faithfully and truthfully give my counsel, advice to the governor of the county government of Homa Bay, that I shall do justice to all, so help me God.
After developing counties like Turkana and all these other counties, what have I done to my county? This is the sole reason why I'm here, that I want to give my best to this county.
Nwachiko jo thurwa ni wadwa tiyo negi. Wadwa ni jo boda boda kariembo odhienda maber. Wadwa ni mondo nwachiko jo boda boda ni ward ka ward ntie pesa mwabro miyo gi mondo gidongrego. Koro wadwa kwayo jo boda boda te ni mondo wadongre kanyakla. Waketi osuru masling apar e odiochieng. En gimichule simo okimi ng'ato cash. Kaito ntie sticker mimi. Mana joma chulo osuru no e joma bro yudo nafas mar yudo pesa. Mwadi kete ward ka ward cha. These people are your people. You must open your door to them. You must listen to them. You must try as much as possible to resolve the issues that are pressing them.
What have we been yearning for? We have been yearning for efficient and effective service. That is actually what the people of Homa Bay are looking from you.
You took an oath to serve the country through the laid down laws. Make sure that you make a difference. We had a previous CS, we had the acting CS, you are now coming in. Let's see the difference.